Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 2008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with this lovely panoramic glass roof. It's also full LED headlights, 17-inch alloy wheels, reverse parking sensors with a rear camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior with red GT line style stitching. The 7-inch touchscreen features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. You also get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. It's done under 3,500 miles. It also features Peugeot's grip control, which gives you optimised grip in different conditions such as snow, mud and sand. But if this car's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.